Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Fajrul Yakin.
Hi everyone, my name is Anissa.
Hi everyone, I'm Asha.
And we are from Flume Team. And in this video, we want to present our idea for International Design Challenge case study by SeaBank Product Management Team. Investment is an activity either directly or indirectly with the hope that in the future, the owner of the capital will get a number of benefits from the investment. Increasing technology has implications for innovation that make it easier to invest, such as through applications on smartphones. However, there are some issues that we need to pay attention to, such as limited investment knowledge, inadequate risk management, and trust in digital investment platforms. Therefore, user experience design and interface designs are needed that are in accordance with the needs and what they want to present.
With this, the feature that we bring to this application in general are to solve three focus problems, which are limited investment knowledge, inadequate risk management, and trust building for investment digital platform, such as Investment 101. With this feature, someone who is still new to the investment world can start to learn about the basic that must be known to invest. Second one is risk profile. With this feature, you will be given a few questions to find out about your risk profile, and from here, we can help you manage and understand the risk of investing. And the last one is security guarantee. We have PIN and biometric feature to assure your security, and every product that we offered have been quality tested, so you don't have to be worried about the products.
So what makes us different from other investing apps? In SeaBank, we have a feature called AI Advisor, where you can ask many questions about investment basic and the management itself. The algorithm based on artificial intelligence, so the program can improve itself and adapt to every user's different behavior and tolerance. So from this idea, hopefully we can bring an application that is useful. So what is our app's advantage? The first one is we have the risk profile. Risk profile is to understand and manage risk in investing, to find suitable market or product from our app. And we will make sure we have enough information and materials for our users to gain understanding about investment by accessing the Investment 101 and also the provided articles. AI Advisor not only about how to use the app, but we can give the advice from our app's advisor supported by artificial intelligence program. We also have security guarantee by using biometrics, so the users don't have to worry about the security of the app.